Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Subnautica 2 missing Microsoft Visual C++. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna open a new browser and type in C++ Redistributable and click enter, and it will prompt you to this page. And now you want to click on the first link and you want to scroll till you find latest supported Redistributable version, and you want to download both x64 and 86, and you want to download the 64-bit first, and you want to install it by clicking open and then installing it. I already have it, but you simply click on it and then install it. And you want to do the same for the x86. You download it and then you click here to open the file and it will install the file. And that's it. That's how you fix the Subnautica 2 Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable missing. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.